A logo of a red circle with an inner white ring point to an L in the center. Text, LG. Life's good. How to factory reset an LG phone.
How to factory reset an LG phone.
A smartphone showing a home screen.
Performing a factory data reset. You may wish to do a factory data reset with your LG phone as a last resort when troubleshooting, or if you want to sell the phone.
The user scrolls through the phone's apps, contacts, gallery, and settings.
A factory data reset will erase all user apps, user data, contacts, phone numbers, pictures, videos, and custom settings, and return the phone to its original factory default.
An arrow points into a cloud icon. An SD memory card and laptop computer appear.
Be sure to fully back up your phone to a memory card or computer before performing a factory data reset. It is recommended that you charge the phone to at least 80% before performing the reset.
They click the settings icon on the phone's home screen, then scroll and tap the desired settings.
To factory reset your LG phone, tap on Settings. Tap on System. Tap on Restart and Reset. Tap on Factory Data Reset. Review the accounts that will be removed. Tap on Reset. Phone at the bottom of the screen. Enter the screen lock code or fingerprint, if one exists. Tap on Delete All. Then wait 5 to 15 minutes for the phone to complete the factory data reset.
The phone screen is dark.
Performing an alternate factory data reset.
A mobile phone home screen.
If your phone's touch screen is unresponsive, if it has navigation issues, or if you have forgotten your password, you can perform an alternate factory data reset.
The phone settings screen with a red no symbol over it.
An alternate factory data reset does not require you to go into the device settings. It's important to note that completing an alternate factory data reset will trigger Google anti-theft protection.
The screen shows a Google account verification page.
You will need to log into the Gmail address that was on the phone previously after completing the reset. If you cannot remember which account was on the phone, or if you get locked out, you can contact LG customer service to send the phone in for repair. A service fee will be charged. To perform an alternate factory data reset, turn the phone off.
The phone screen is dark. Two arrows point to buttons on either side of the phone.
Press and hold the power and volume down buttons simultaneously for 5 to 15 seconds until the phone displays a screen that says System Recovery at the top.
The phone screen is black with text, Recovery Mode, Loading. A list appears at the top of the screen. An arrow points to the volume keys on the side of the phone. The highlighted row moves down to Factory Reset on the list.
Use the volume keys to highlight Factory Reset. Then press the power key to select Factory Reset.
An arrow points to the button on the other side of the phone.
Use the volume keys to highlight Yes, then press the power key to select Yes. Wait for 5 to 15 minutes for the phone to complete the alternate factory data reset.
A website support page.
For additional support or assistance, go to lg.com/support.
Text, LG. Life's good. Learn more at lg.com.